So I made some very strange pedals, and I'm gonna use this thing, which has this kill switch. So if you hear something weird that sounds like, I don't know, trim or something, that's that. I've already shown this fuzz. This thing is a karaoke machine turned into a pedal. That side, where you see that 3-pedal thing, is on one input. You have 2 other inputs, and those inputs have an effect and a volume here. This is your delay mix, that's your delay time, and that's your volume for those. This is a master volume, and your normal in and outs there. So I got my fuzz going in, and this going to the amp, and this one is, I bought some dollar store toys. I put them in a pedal-like thing, and the middle switch, this one, is a kill switch for the output of the toy. So if you notice, there's just the one cable going into the karaoke machine because it doesn't need an input, because there's nothing coming in. The box itself makes the noise. I thought this was cool because it's like having a little mixer, I guess, pedal with an optional delay effect. So I can build stuff that just makes noise and still have it go into another pedal and play through it. I'll show you. Yeah, but that's pretty much that.